Hi there. If you woken up tired, stiff, and wanting to start your day in a really healthy manner, then this morning yoga flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, a wall, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, make yourself comfortable in any posture. Preferably sit right next to the wall to keep your spine aligned and in neutral curve. Keep your hands over the knees and close your eyes. Try to focus on your inhalations and exhalation to center yourself. Take 3 to 5 rounds of breath and try not to move your body physically. Every time you exhale, you try to be more focused with your breathing pattern. And once you're done with 3 to 5 rounds, you can start making some gentle movements and very gently you can open your eyes to start this practice. First and foremost, stretch your arms to the sides of your body. Use wall support if you have to have a better alignment. Bring them down as you are trying to move both of them parallelly. This will help you to waken up your shoulder and your spine. Then interlock your fingers and stretch them over your head. You inhale here and exhale and hold the pose. Inhale again and exhale, and again inhale and exhale, lower it down. Inhale, raise them up, and then with the exhale, stretch it to the right side. Inhale back to the center, exhale to your left. Inhale back to the center, and then with exhale, grab your elbows. Stretch it nicely and keep your shoulders gentle, soft. And then release the arms and change the holding elbow palm sides. Again, exhale and release the palm. And then lower down your hands very gently. Now place your right palm to the right side of the right knee. And then eventually straighten the left hand to the side. Give a good, nice, deep stretch. Feel the stretch to the side. And then exhale, come back to the center. This time, lower down the left hand and stretch the right hand to the right side. Stretch. And with exhale, raise your hand and then release the posture. Now interlock your finger at the back of your neck. Support your neck, and then with inhale, give a gentle back bend, and with exhale, you fold forward. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up again. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Very gently. Inhale up. And now from here, come on all your fours, where your shoulder and palms are in a line and knees and hips are in a line. Tuck your toes in or out. Inhale, look up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, curl your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, look ahead. Exhale, look at the navel. Inhale. And then exhale, round your spine. Inhale slowly. And then exhale again with a slower breath. Inhale, you can practice 10 rounds. Exhale, inhale, exhale. This time inhale and stretch your right arm and left leg. With exhale, bring it to chest and belly and squeeze tight. Inhale again, extend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, extend. Exhale, fold. And then release. Now inhale and extend the left arm and right leg. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And release. Now relax your toes and push your hips back and sit over your heels. Stretch your wrists, arms, fingers really nice. Rotate the wrists and now place the palms on the mat. Change the side of the right palm to stretch the wrists and now change the side for the left arm. Stretch and then release. Now keep shifting the body weight from side to side while having a great grip in the palms, and keep shifting the sides of both the palms together to have a greater mobility and stretch in the wrist and palm. Now with exhale, lower down the hips. Inhale, bring it forward. Bend your elbows. Exhale, go back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, go back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And this time try to lift both the knees and get into a plank pose. This is a high plank. Hold it and continue breathing. And after that, give a good long exhale and lower down the knees and eventually sit back in Vajrasana. Now with the inhale, lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Have the hands to the sides of the shoulder. And take a deep breath in and out. And then inhale, lift the upper body as much as you can. And then with exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, lift up. And exhale, lower down. Inhale. This time try to go a little higher than the other times. And whenever you feel you are comfortable with it, exhale, gently lower it down. Inhale, lift up again. Hold up there. Extend the toes at the back, really nice. And eventually with exhale, gently lower it down. Now with inhale, stretch by interlocking both the fingers of your arms at the back of your body. And then fold both the knees and try to grab the shin bones of both legs. And then with inhale, lift up into Dhanurasana. Hold up there and breathe. With exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, lift up and hold and breathe. Try to keep your chest open throughout, and then with exhale, lower it down. Now extend both the legs at the back. Let it release all the stretch. And then eventually lift your body up back to the four. And then eventually sit up straight over your sit bones. Extend both the legs together. Keep knees slightly bent if you have to. And then fold the left knee. Inhale, both hands goes up, and with exhale, try to fold forward. Go as far as you can. This is Janu Shirshasana. Hold it up there. And then exhale and inhale, hands goes up and release. Now change your leg. This time extend the left and fold the right one. And inhale, hands goes up above the head. With exhale, gently fold forward. Hold the pose and breathe. Take up to 5 rounds of breath. And then exhale and inhale, hands goes up, and then again exhale, release. Now extend both the legs together. Inhale, hands goes up, and exhale into Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. You can keep your knees slightly bent. If folding is unreachable to you, you can keep your hands wherever you are most comfortable at, a chin bone over the knees or holding the big toe, wherever you are at. Continue breathing and then exhale. Inhale, hands goes up and exhale, release. Now fold the right foot next to the left outer thigh. Support the right knee using the left hand and extend the right hand to the right side to give a right twist. Continue breathing while holding the pose. Keep gauging at the back. And then with exhale, release the pose and change the leg. This time, left foot goes on the outer side of the right knee. Have a support for the left knee by the right hand, and with left hand, twist to the left side. Hold it up there and keep breathing. And then with exhale, gently release the pose. Fold both the knees together. Hold them from the outer thigh and lift your feet up in the air. You can start tapping one toe to the floor at a time while keeping the core engaged and continuing to breathe. Keep breathing, and then you can keep raising the legs up, continuing to breathe, and then just release the hold from the thigh and place the hands to the sides of the thighs and eventually exhale, release. Now gently take the knees to the sides of the body while placing both the feet together, bringing both the feet close to the groin for a better stability. You can also sit like this in butterfly pose right next to the wall to have a better posture and a better alignment for your spine and sit bones. Close your eyes and try to bring the feet together and closer to the groin. And start taking long and slow and deeper breath. Use this time to connect with your breath and just relax at this moment and let you absorb all the changes which you might have come across through today's practice. Let this duration make you feel more recharged and rejuvenated to start your day in a really healthy and positive manner. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice and showing up for yourself to start your day in a really positive attitude. Just relax, relax your pelvic floor, relax your knees, relax your feet, relax your hands, relax your upper body, shoulders, neck, facial expression. Let everything feel relaxed and be present. Continuing to observe your breath. And it's okay to get distracted by the thoughts, but again, you come back on your breathing and just focus on your inhalations and exhalations. Let your body feel more alive with your aware breath. Relax. And as you start feeling comfortable enough, start making to some movement and start rubbing your palms, gather the energy and gently open your eyes. And eventually extend both the legs and just shake them a little bit before starting your day. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care.